Hi, I'm Mel Reyna, and today I am sharing with you two folks that helped me with my edits. Unfortunately for me, I didn't find them until the very end, but I, however, am recommending to you that you utilize these techniques as you write and not wait until you finish the entire book. I think it will be a little bit easier. And I also think it might help you as you're writing, as you're picking up on this stuff by the time you finish. Um, you'll just do it automatically. At least that's my hope. So Abbie has these great, there's two videos, there's two separate ones around 10 words. And it's not necessarily that you shouldn't use them at all, but you should be very careful when you do, and then some suggestions on what to use instead. So both of those videos are outstanding, and I highly recommend you go through your manuscript and look for all the words that she's providing you to be wary of. So Dale Roberts, he has community, he's got books, videos, he's got everything. For specifically for this topic, he did a really great tutorial on pro writing aid, and that helped like with run-on sentences, those kinds of things as well. But Dale, he's a great resource. I gotten several of his books. I joined his community, so he's a really strong resource too, especially when you're a first timer and you're just learning all this stuff. So these are my two game changers for editing, and then Dale for overall community. Hope this helps.